Hey guys, today we will learn how to start the team application and Windows 11. So let's begin. We get to write the team, start team, and now we are going to log in. As it's my local system, so it's taking some time to load. Here is the interface. So if I want to chat with someone, I have to invite him or I have to send him the invitation. So suppose I want to, so I don't have any contacts, so that's why. So from chat we can see we can have this polls, this graphic, this smiley, and this language bar. We can type anything we want. We have bunch of different features enabled also on this send button. So this is very intuitive and very beautiful, and I hope it will be very productive. If you want to use Teams, we can invite this link and send it to our friends or family who you want to be connected using Teams. So this is all for today in Windows 11 how to use Teams. Thank you for watching.